Hi! In front of me is OPPO A2 and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by opening settings and scrolling down to access password and security. Now tap on lock screen password at the top left corner and decide which password type you want to set up: numeric, alphanumeric or pattern. After picking the best one, wait 5 seconds and choose continue in the pop-up. Now you finally get to create it and repeat it in order to confirm it. Lastly, decide if you wish to switch on fingerprint unlock by tapping on one of those options. Then go back. So finally, when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!